You're so incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're so incredible. I almost cried. It was so emotional.
Really nice. Thank you.
It was so emotional. We always love your performance. We love your performance.
You almost cried.
We look up to you.
Man, we love her so
Yeah. You really inspire a lot of women. Yeah, you inspire. Please don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. We loved everything you did on the stage that day. You're such.
Pia jebaliko kuli kayo ka performance. Okay, tell us about the camp, the music camp. Jetuliko one.
Camp listed. It was a music camp. Ebadde ekwatagana na kuyamba ba producers, the writers, and the artists in our industry. Era many have been around. I can mention 20 names, big stars, and we've had a great time. Wabadde wabantu abavudde Europe and USA. These guys have the best sound, the best equipment to help us produce the best music. So zenfunye ngo muyimbi tukoze all-star songs, tukoze collabos, tukoze singles, and nkoze ne performance ebadde like electrifying. So
Ekirowozo kino kivaawa?
ekirowozo kino kitandika mu 2019 between me, Hussein, and a guy from Sweden called Ulf Stanahag. Yeah, Ulf was very much interested in the industry of Uganda, industry of fair music. I think we lack a lot of support, especially straight from our parents to friends and family, etc. So Ulf put the first stone on the foundation, and then tubadde tuzimba mpola mpola twatandika ne studio eri yasooka, then tukola live studio, tukola academy gyetwalaunchinze egenda kubayamba abaana, egenda kubayigiriza abantu ab'enjawulo instruments. I myself can now play a piano. So
Okay, nkulabye nga your live performance is so improved. Initiative gye mwatandika yeekuyambyeko kubeera nga ekusitula in mastering the live performances.
yeah, actually for me I'm better at live than even studio. Ndi muyimbi wa bandi, ali nkozeko mu band. Just that I've not yet been given a chance and the opportunity to showcase that. Abantu abagamba tuyimba bubi ku live baba tebamanyi kye boogerako, because that is not live. That is something you're singing on a CD and you're shouting on top of your voice, or ogezako okuvuganya neki n'ebyuma. Ebiseera bisinga tuba tetulina na monitor. So the bad quality of the sound gena nevumisa fa abayimbi omuntu nagamba oyo pia takola ki ayimba. That's why for you you're using the word improve, but I am a very great live performer. I perform better than I sing in a studio. That has been me for a long time. I've just not gotten a stage to showcase that.
Okay, live sorry, as in enyimba za all stars nga wetulabye wano Eddie Kenzo, Fikfa Maker, mpuliddemukko ne Carol Nantongo n'abalala. All stars mukoze mmeka ezo era ziri ku mulamwa ki?
Tukozeyo Limbara tourism, tukozeyo Limbara love, tukozeyo Limbara climate. Yeah, and then yesterday we're doing some tracks with Elijah Chitaka nga buli omu just atekamu feel jayagala. We've worked with John Black too, John Black, Pretty Banks, bakozeyo zi collabos. So it's just so many projects. Yeah.
Who is sponsoring the projects?
The projects are sponsored by ABM, of course, African Bureau of Music. Yeah.
This studio. Okay. Ndabyeko wano Daddy Andre. Ndabyeko this Atin. Atin erandoza yomu kubakola projects zammwe ze muli mukola.
Yeah.
Ate nga wano manyi nti you work with Hussein. Is it bringing all producers together? Over.
Okay, so for us here at ABM, we don't work with one producer. Just into Chikwate. We work with different producers, but Bass Boy Babela wano ba Chemically, no guy Atin, TON, all of them, they be here. They come and we do different projects. They come and bring different clients. Yeah, that's how we roll. Actually, baddest kusei ekintu kya production kati yakiteeka ku level ya kumasteringa bintu ng'ebyo. Takyalina nnyo budde kutukolera nnyimba because he's a busy guy. He has to run this place and all that. So yeah.
Okay. We heard about the guys who came. Bendabyeko waneno nga the visitors. Basically ng'ogyeko ekyokubeera nti mukoze ennyimba ze mukoze n'okubeera nti nebyotugambyeka, what else are they bringing on table like to impact on the music industry in general in Uganda?
Yeah, like I had said, they want to improve our sound. You know, chizibu okutunda sound yembi worldwide, global. So if our sound here wetereramu nebanga nungi, they brought us great equipment. They themselves are writers and producers. Bali bakozeko ne ba Britney Spears, ba Madonna, Taylor Swift, Kendrick Lamar. So we are, I think, going to be on a global global competition, yeah. So we can be able to also win Grammys and all that stuff.
Okay. Mkulideko yogerako equipments. They've brought equipment.
Yeah, they brought ukatinze siri nyo producer so sibimanyi ego chomanya they've brought equipment. The best person who can explain them is Kusem.
Okay.
So bantu bolese balaga nti no bantu bakabinyo bafunira wa mu bintu bino.
Bo bafuna mudda mu bintu bino. Like they've been so they've been working on different abantu Madonna, that's a name from I don't know when. So for them, they've been at it for a long time, and you know omala okufuna ngojjango okola ki osigambalala. So I think that's what they're trying to do.
Is it more like charity?
It's not more like charity. Yeah, we can't call it charity because music is an investment. So they are investing. You get? Yeah, they are investing.
So kakati good ewedde. What next? Then what?
Okay, for me as an artist, I could say I'm working on an album, and I'm also working on a concert. This year I want to show people the better side of me, something they don't see often, and also I feel like it's time for me to spread my wings wide and work on something that represents Africa as a continent, right? Because these guys, but you're getting enough and you bongo wange. You know, music can go so far. You don't have to target a small market, because even the people in the US tebana chamanje batusinga just nti ayimba mu luzungu mugalo mutegeera ate fe tuyimba mu Luganda lwebakola ki lwebatategeera. But that's for me my next plan. I'm planning on going global. I'm planning on doing things that are more challenging, and to also take on opportunities. Grab onto opportunities. I've been singing on every song, by the way, every track. I've been singing on it because I don't want to limit myself at all. I will move the accent. Those are what I choose say.
Okay.
So far, tuina kati abai obaddewo. We have new artists. Okay. Or are you seeing olaba bakola ekimala? Waliwo ko kumanyi ge baleesa gakutiisa nga gwa muyimbi gwe basanzeewo.
That is like saying tinno omwana omuto wazalibwa afa abalala abakulu tulina okutya. No, that's not even a mindset I can adopt at this point in time. I am a unique product. What I give out to the world is pure, and everybody else is unique in their own way, you know, as well. So we're all needed. The sky is big. All the stars can shine, you know, and they can get their moment. No. There's also a government. Oh, anyone on this star and no, all stars get to shine. At their point in time. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you too.